happy Tuesday. So today on our calendar, we have math, reading, and social studies again. We're going to be doing page 521 together. So if you can open up and find page 521 so we can do that together. And then you will do page 523 in math all by yourself. And you need to make sure you send me all your work if you do it, or if you just want to wait to send me your packet at the end of the week, you can do that too. In reading and writing, we have our sight words page 11. It looks just like this. And then we are going to listen to our anchor text like we usually always do at the beginning of the week. This week's anchor text is called Whistle for Willie, and this is the page of questions you are going to need to complete about that story. So it might be a good idea to read these questions first and then listen to the story. And if you need to listen to the story a couple times, just go back and listen to it again. And then for social studies, we are actually learning, social studies and science, we're learning about man-made and natural. So you have this, and if you do not have scissors and glue, that's fine. You can either write the word underneath or you can draw lines. Anything like that works. All right, so let's get started. First things first, we are going to look at Seesaw really quick. So let me put me to the side. Here's what your Seesaw looks like. Miss Bunch posted a music assignment for today, so you need to be able to do that. If you are with Miss Sykes or Miss Z, there is work for you to do. There is PE homework here for Coach Lentz, and it is really fun if you'd like to do that. And then if you have not completed these and these are on your activities, you need to be doing those because they are a grade. The things that are posted on Seesaw are not optional, and I do not want your grade to reflect that. We do lots of work in class. When we are in school all day long, we are working for almost 8 hours in a total day. So I know it sounds like a lot of work, but I promise you can do it because you guys are smart and you guys are kind and you guys can do this at home because you are strong first graders. All right, let's get started. So first thing I want to do is I want to listen to the story Whistle for Willie. So I'm going to put my face in the side again, and I'm going to pull up this story, and we're going to listen to it together. Let's make sure we think about these questions. We need to think about what lesson can you learn from Peter, which we don't know Peter yet because we only know that this boy right here is probably named Willie, but we don't know who Peter is. Number 2. Why does Peter want to whistle? Maybe his name is Peter. What's this dog's name? We'll find out. And 3, Peter learns to whistle. Can you whistle? Give it a try and ask your family members to show you if they can whistle. Now, Miss Gregory is not the best whistler. Ready? Nope, I'm not very good at it. Can you try? Send me a video of you whistling. I'd love to hear it. Once you answer these questions, I know there's not a lot of space, but you can answer them down here. You need to have your parent's signature, sign right there. All right, let's go ahead and watch. All right. So that was our Whistle for Willie story. Now what you need to do is click pause on this video. Uh-oh. Let me make sure you can see my face. So right now what I want you to do is click pause on this video, and I want you to complete these questions. That way you can check it off and be done with that one. Because after that, we are now going to move back to our sight words that we started talking about. So let's look at these sight words today. They are the words again, began, nothing, boy, and together. So let's sign them. Again, we're going to sign it just like this. Again, again. And now began is like you started something. If you began a story, that means you started a story. So we started the story. We began. Nothing. Put little zeros and shake them back and forth. Nothing. That means you have, if I have these and I take them out, I have nothing in this. Your next one is boy. Do you remember boy from yesterday? Make your ball cap. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy, boy, boy. And together. Put your hands like this and put them together. Right, together. Good. So you will need to read these sentences, and you need to put the words where they need to go. That is all you have to do for that page. We do that all the time. All right, so now I need you to stand up, and you're going to get your wiggles out. Keep going. Stand up. Awesome. All right, take a seat back down. You know how we do every time right after our go noodle, we sit right back down on our bottoms ready to get learning again. So that was a brand new one. We've never done that one before, so I hope you guys like that one. All right, we only have a few minutes left that I can record. So really quickly, we're going to look at this paper right here. This one is one that we have not yet discussed, and it is about natural or man-made things. So I have a little video I wanted to show you. I will post it separate so you can watch it, but it's about natural and man-made things. So a natural is something that just happened. So if a seed flew from a plant and it went in the ground and then it started growing itself, that would be natural. Now, if I went and I dug a hole and I put some water in it and I made a little pond, would that pond be natural, or was it because I made it? Yeah, that pond would be man-made because I made it. So let's look at this. A tree. Did I go and carve a tree and make a tree, or did that tree just naturally happen? Yeah, it was natural. How about an umbrella? Did an umbrella happen in the nature, or did a person have to make an umbrella? Yeah, a person had to make an umbrella. So umbrella would go over in man-made. So if you can tell me that a person made it or a machine made it, it would be in man-made. And natural would be things that just happen in nature. All right, I'm going to get cut off from Screencast, but please get all your work done today. And I miss you, and I'll see you tomorrow.